friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important topic of our time, safe environment. This is not just a subject for exams but a responsibility for every human being. Let's dive into why protecting our environment matters and how we can do it. The environment is everything around us: air, water, soil, plants, animals, and even us humans. It provides us with food, oxygen, shelter, and resources. Without a healthy environment, life cannot exist. Saving the environment means protecting these natural resources and ensuring balance in nature. Unfortunately, human activities have disturbed this balance. Pollution. Smoke from vehicles and factories pollutes the air. Deforestation. Cutting trees for land and wood destroys forests. Waste and plastics. Non-biodegradable waste chokes the rivers and oceans. Climate change. Excess greenhouse gases cause global warming. All these issues threaten our survival and survival of our future generation. But the good news is we can act. Here are some simple yet powerful steps. Plant trees. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and give oxygen. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Minimize waste and recycle materials. Save water. Use water wisely, avoid wastage. Use renewable energy, solar, wind, and hydropower instead of fossil fuels. Avoid plastics. Switch to cloth bags, steel bottles, and eco-friendly products. Spread awareness. Teach others about the importance of protecting nature. Science explains how our environment works. For example, photosynthesis in plants. Carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll give out glucose, oxygen, and water. This simple equation shows how plants clean the air and provide food. If we destroy plants, we destroy this natural cycle. Countries across the world are working together to fight climate change. Events like World Environment Day reminds us to take action. But reminder, change starts with individual. Every small step counts. Friends, saving the environment is not just a duty, it's a way of life. If we protect nature today, nature will protect us tomorrow. Let's pledge. Plant trees, save water, reduce waste, and spread awareness. Together, we can make Earth a greener, cleaner, and safer place. Thank you for watching. If you believe in saving the environment, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more educational contents. Reminder, one step by you can inspire thousands. Goodbye.